a little Western vibe. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna try it on. You guys always ask me where I got this sweatshirt, and I got it from a company based in New York called Lingua Franca, and I follow them online. I love their stuff. I'm a sucker for stuff with words on it. I love a custom embroidery, but I just went to New York and actually went to their store. Did I film anything there? I did not, because I was too busy deciding what to buy, but I did order something, and it is here. They're known for doing custom cashmere sweaters, and the cashmere sweaters are pricey, and I have yet to buy one, but I have bought multiple sweatshirts and t-shirts, and now they have denim shirts. Okay, here is the front, and here is the back. Okay, it's a real like Western shirt. It has snaps and not buttons, and I like it because I could obviously just wear it as a regular shirt and tuck it in and wear it with jeans, or you can wear it as kind of like a shacket. And it's just got this little grown up on the back. I love it.